Hey guys, King LF5 here, and today, well, I blew my strobe. Yes, this is my alert strobe, and it won't even turn on anymore. Wires? Look, they only make sparks, and that's probably it. It's because of one of the diodes has burned out. Okay, yes, this one just died. I'm gonna point out this one. This this one died. Yep, you can see a clear image. This one right here, died. So now I don't think it's able to flash now. So yeah, it no longer works. It's a very sad moment because tomorrow it's gonna be National Fire Alarm Day. And that's what I uploaded this video to do National Fire Alarm Day tomorrow, because National Fire Alarm Day tomorrow. And yes, I know, we get it. Hopefully I'll find another fire alarm or LSM remote strobe soon, because this thing is now useless. Okay, why is it useless? I cut the jumper on the 12 and the 24. Okay, look. Yeah. And that it cannot even make a sound. Not even a single sound. Even when the audible screws are stripped. So now it's now useless. This whole thing is now useless. It's just sad news that this thing has died. This strobe has died. Now, in the last appearance on my videos, or probably at the appearance, was that it was flashing in smoking a potentiometer, and its last appearance was just on here, but before I'm recording this video, it was on mass notification, or system test 5, mass notification. So yeah, it's very sad news that this strobe had died. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's raining more. So I guess that's it. This yellow strobe had died. And it's just sad news. And I already said that. It was the LSMA. Without the piezo. And yes, it did take out the piezo. So that's it for now. Well, that's what I wanted to say. So thanks for watching, guys, and goodbye.